Welcome to TallyHelp videos. In this video, you will learn how to extend Tally Drive storage. Every license comes with a free storage quota, which can be availed with a valid TSS subscription. A silver license comes with 1 GB of free storage and a gold license with 3 GB of free storage. You can extend the storage when it is low or anytime you want to continue taking backups. Note that storage can be extended maximum up to the TSS validity. A valid TSS is required while extending the storage. Once storage has expired, no further backups can be taken to Tally Drive. However, the existing backups will remain safe as long as the TSS is valid. When TSS expires, backups will be deleted after the grace period. Storage extension can be managed on the customer portal as long as your Tally Software Services (TSS) is valid. You can open the portal either from Tally Prime or directly on the browser. To extend your storage, open the Tally Drive Management Report in Tally Prime. Press Alt-Y. Backup and restore. Manage Tally Drive. Log in using the Tally.net ID. On the Tally Drive Management Report, you can view the available storage out of the total storage. Press F6 to extend storage. You will be redirected to the Tally Drive billing page in your browser. Here, the license serial number will already be pre-filled. Enter the billing details and select the quantity. Note that each quantity provides 10 GB of Tally Drive storage. The payable amount will be calculated automatically. Agree to the terms and conditions and proceed to payment. After a successful payment, you will see a confirmation message in the browser. Additionally, an email confirmation will be sent to the Tally.net ID and license admins with the details of the storage extension and its validity. Once done, you can go back to the Tally Drive Management Report in Tally Prime to validate the new storage space. When prompted, press Y or click Yes to refresh storage details. The updated values of maximum storage and validity will now appear. You can also directly open the Tally Drive billing page by logging into tallysolutions.com and navigating to Control Center. Tally Drive Management, Tally Drive Storage, and click Extend. You can also go to the Tally Solutions website and extend Tally Drive storage by navigating to the pricing page. Note that when the storage becomes full, Tally Prime notifies you in multiple ways. Tally Prime notifies you through the notifications report as shown. You can drill down from the notification to the Tally Drive Management Report and press F6 to go to the customer portal for extending storage. Additionally, an email is sent to the Tally.net ID of the admins with storage details and the action to be taken. You can go to the Tally Drive billing page to extend storage from the storage alert email by clicking the link. As you saw, extending Tally Drive storage is simple and ensures that your backups continue without any disruption due to lack of sufficient storage space. Thank you. On any screen in Tally Prime, press Ctrl F1 to learn how to complete the task.